So I'm interested in showing you how to record your own audio and then put it in here. So it's kind of very similar to the last lesson where we learned about putting audio in from soundbible.com, except I want to record my own audio. So any file is good to have open, and I'm going to put this link in the description, but bearaudiotool.com, there's other tools, there's plenty of tools out there where you can record. There might be some on your own devices right there that you can use, but this is a web-based, means you can use it from any device. And it just allows me to record my own voice, record what I need to say, but I also can edit files. So I can open up a sound that I previously downloaded and I can edit it a little bit. So to start recording, you hit record, and then it gives you a moment to kind of get your bearings and when am I ready? I'm going to say this right now. This is a tutorial on shape tween. And of course I hit stop when I'm ready. I want to sample it. This is a tutorial on shape tween. I love it, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to hit import. And what it does is it drops it in here so I can see about how long it is. It's almost 4 seconds long. It means I have to animate for every second that it takes, maybe 3 seconds long. So I'm going to shorten this up. There's a little bit of a lag here, so I'm going to highlight this and delete it. And now that shortened it up. I only have 2 seconds to animate. It doesn't have to be 3 or 4 seconds. So that means I need about 60 frames, depending on what my frames per second is. So I'll tell you too that I am not a great a great speaker. I stutter a lot. I change my mind as to what I'm going to say. But I have learned that if I have it written down, I can restart a sentence and then take out what I don't want and then hit delete on the keyboard to get rid of it. So just record. If you make a mistake, go back, repeat what you were just going to say, and then highlight what you want to get rid of and hit delete on the keyboard. When you're ready to save this file, down at the bottom, I could fade in. If I have a song, this is me speaking, so I probably wouldn't want to fade it in. But if I have a song that I downloaded and I want to put in there, I might want to fade it in, fade it out. But I'm going to go ahead and hit this save. And by default, it goes to MP3, which doesn't work real well in Animate. So I'm going to switch to Wave. And it doesn't allow me to type my own file in. It saves it automatically as export. And then the next file you save, if I record something else, it saves it as export 1, export 2, export 3. So you have to pay attention to the file name. And then finally, I'm going to go to Animate and import to the library my file, my export 1, my export 2, and then I put it on a frame just like I did in the last lesson. So now I have, this is a tutorial on shape tween. And if I need to, I can make my animation longer or shorter depending on how long that recording went. And that is how you record your own audio and put it into Adobe Animate.